In this video, you will learn how to trade using the Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to successfully swap tokens within your wallet on the Solana network. First, open the Phantom wallet application on your device. Ensure that you have some tokens, such as SOL, in your wallet. If you do not have tokens, you will need to acquire them before proceeding with any trades. Once the wallet is open, look for the home screen where various options are displayed. Locate and click on the button labeled Swap. This action will take you to the trading interface where you can initiate your token exchange. Now, you will see two sections titled You Pay and You Receive. In the You Pay section, select the token you want to trade, for example, SOL. This selection indicates which token you are willing to exchange. Next, in the You Receive section, choose the token that you wish to receive in return for your trade. Ensure that the tokens you select are available for swapping within the Phantom wallet. This step is crucial for a successful transaction. After selecting your tokens, you need to specify the amount you want to trade. Enter the desired amount into the input field. Be mindful of the current market prices as they can affect the total value of your trade. Once you have entered the amount, look for the button that says Swap or Review and click on it. This will prompt a confirmation screen where you can review all the details of your trade. Take a moment to ensure that everything is correct before proceeding. Finally, click on the Confirm button to finalize your trade. After confirmation, the transaction will be processed. Depending on network conditions, this may take a few moments. You should see a notification confirming that your trade was successful once it is complete. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.